Hello everyone, Deb Floros, guest designer for Beadaholique. This is a really fun, earthy necklace, and it's a very simple stringing project. But I love the combination of wood beads and ceramic beads, seed beads, and metal. This is just a really fun exercise in putting some cool things together to create a unique look and a little bit of dimension and pop of color. Now, when you use those oval tube wood beads, you're going to need a little bit of help. So grab some daisy spacers to close up those large hole beads because we want to use seed beads as our spacers here. I did a combination of a lighter color and a turquoise color to balance out my ceramic beads that I'm going to add at my focal. Now, I did a trio of these beautiful tiara cast hand charms, and I attached them with double jump rings because they add a nice finished bail effect. But you can use any kind of pendants here, any trio of them that you like. So maybe you don't like hands, but you like hearts or some other kind of charm. You can add whatever trio you'd like and just separate them out in a cool pattern. I love the combination of glass and wood and metal and seed beads, and I had an opportunity to use a really cool clasp as well. I used my signature French wire closure, so I like to use French wire to cover up my beading wire. So I just add a crimp, add my French wire, add my toggle, and then I crimp it down. So it just adds another little finishing touch to your piece. This was a really fun project to make, and you can make it your own by adding different beads, different colors, different pendants, whatever you'd like. You can find everything to make this necklace at beadaholique.com, and I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.